Hello everyone. Today we're going to discuss about pointers, which are in C, which are pretty common in coding. Now you might be thinking, what is a pointer? Normally a variable stores a value, but a pointer is a variable that stores the address of another variable where it lives in memory. A simple analogy that I like to think about is picturing the variable like a house. The address of the house is located on the street like memory. A pointer is like someone who knows where the house is and will point to its location when asked. Now, here in the code example I provided, if you look at line 4, I'm just declaring my normal variable. And if I want to declare a pointer variable, I have to use the asterisk symbol. So here I just put in p as my pointer. Asterisk p basically indicates p is the pointer. And if I want to store the address of x, I need the Anderson symbol. As you can see here, int pointer p is basically going to store the address of x. Now, if you were to just print out the Anderson x, you'd get the address of x. If you were to print out p, you would also get the address of x. This is because, like I said, p only points towards where the house is, so it will only give you the address. If you want the value of x through p, you need to do what's called dereferencing. Now, you might be asking, what is dereferencing? Dereferencing is using asterisk to access the value stored at the pointer's address. I personally like to think about it like a key. If you want to access the house, you do need a key to open it. Now, back to the code example. If you see line 9, here to get the value of x, I would need my pointer before p, so pointer p. This way I will get 10 if I print it out. Now, you might be asking, why use pointers? Now, pointers are powerful because they let you share variables between functions without copying them. Personally, I use this a lot when I was trying to figure out pointers myself. They also work with arrays and strings really efficiently. And it's really useful for using dynamic memory allocation like malloc. Now, a quick recap here. Just think about the variable like a house. A pointer is like a person pointing towards the house. The Anderson symbol basically gives the address of the variable or the address of the house. And the asterisk symbol basically accesses the value of the address of the house. And that is basically pointers in C in the simplest way possible. Thank you for watching. If you found pointers confusing before, I hope the house or address analogy helped. I suggest you to try writing a few small programs with pointers to better understand how it works. See ya!